In today's manufacturing world, staying competitive is no longer just about upgrading machines. It's about transforming how your factory operates, connects, and grows. But with so many technologies and platforms out there, one big question remains. Where do you start, and what should you prioritize? At digiXLT, we help you find that clarity through our Digital Maturity Assessment, powered by the globally recognized Smart Industry Readiness Index, or SIRI. SIRI is a proven framework managed by International Center for Industrial Transformation, INCIT, and recognized by the World Economic Forum as the international standard for industrial transformation. It looks at your factory through three core building blocks: process, to understand your current operational challenges; technology, to evaluate how well your systems are connected and communicate; organization, to assess your workforce and leadership readiness for transformation. The assessment, with 16 dimensions, spans end-to-end organization functions, from supply chain and planning to production execution and monitoring. It examines your digital infrastructure, including automation, connectivity, and intelligence, while also evaluating organizational structures for talent readiness, strategy focus, and culture. Post-assessment, you'll be able to benchmark your maturity against global industry leaders and confidently prioritize digital initiatives aligned with your business goals and cost levers. The goal is simple: to give you a clear picture of where you stand today and what to focus on next. Whether it's improving production flow, strengthening digital capabilities, or upskilling your workforce. Using Digital Maturity Assessment, we will help you build a roadmap to start, scale, and sustain your transformation. Because digital transformation isn't about doing everything at once, it's about doing the right things in the right order. Let's begin your journey with clarity, not confusion. To get started, visit digiXLT.com or write to us at accelerate@digiXLT.com.